Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Venmo to Citizens Bank, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your Venmo account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the Manage Balance section on your home screen. Tap on the Manage Balance icon. Select the option to transfer money. You'll see an option to transfer to your bank. Choose that. Next, select Citizens Bank from the list of available banks. If you haven't linked your Citizens Bank account yet, tap on Add Bank or Link Bank Account. Follow the prompts to enter your Citizens Bank account information. Make sure to provide your account number and routing number accurately. Once your bank is linked, return to the transfer screen. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Review the details of your transfer carefully. Tap Transfer to initiate the transaction. You may be prompted to confirm the transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for the confirmation that your transfer is on its way. Check your Citizens Bank account to verify that the funds have arrived. Typically, transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to complete. If you encounter any issues, consult the Venmo help section for assistance. That's all it takes to transfer money from Venmo to Citizens Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.